Natrol, Sleep and Restore, 20 tablets. Product Overview Description. Fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, wake up refreshed with powerful antioxidants. Vegetarian dietary supplement. Natrol Sleep and Restore. Unique nighttime formula that helps promote a more restful, restorative sleep. Melatonin supports normal sleep patterns. Valerian promotes quality sleep. Vitamin E is a natural antioxidant that helps protect from oxidative damage. L-glutamine and grapeseed extract for additional recovery support. Melatonin is a nighttime sleep aid for occasional sleeplessness. Suggested use. Take 1 tablet before bedtime. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, maltodextrin, stearic acid, silicon dioxide, cellulose gum, hyperamylose, methylcellulose, magnesium stearate, gum arabic, glycerin, ethyl cellulose. Contains soy, number milk, egg, fish, crustacean shellfish, train nuts, peanuts, wheat, yeast, artificial colors or flavors, added sugar or preservatives. Warnings. Tamper-evident packaging. Tablets are sealed in blisters. Store in a cool, dry place. Keep out of reach of children. If you are under medical supervision or using any tranquilizers or sedatives, seek the advice of your healthcare professional prior to using. Consult your healthcare professional prior to use if you have an autoimmune condition or depressive disorder or are pregnant or lactating. Not for use by children under 12 years of age. Do not take when operating machinery or driving a vehicle. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.